Morning, folks. Let me take a quick minute here and go through some of my operation. Years ago, it started out with this Hotsy trailer. We were doing rig washes, and when they laid down the derrick, we'd wash them off before they moved from hole to hole and other things. Now it's more of a facility maintenance kind of a deal. That's kind of my whole business. I am an authorized dealer for this degreaser product here that I try to hustle and sell a little bit of that. Of course, we've got the vac truck. We have a mobile filtration unit, or a filter pod set up here that and actually when I get these tank cleaning jobs, which they're kind of rare, but I do get them. I could get more if I hustled more, I suppose. But then we have the washer unit, the hose down through the tank with the 3D nozzle spraying the storage tanks out. On the discharge line, on the sump line off the tank, we have hooked up to the pod, and hooked up to the pod we have the vac truck. And when we get on jobs like that, then we're really killing it. So just wanted to put that out there. We do a lot of different things. A lot of times when the trucking kind of goes down, which happens a few times a year, I make a few phone calls and we get some of our cleaning service going. And like I said, if I really focus certain times of the year and get all the phone calls done early enough and get the pod working, and then of course we have the truck, and then we've also got a few other things going on that we're just starting up now. But yeah, you got a few options there then. You know what I mean? You can pick and choose from one thing to another and plan it out throughout the year to kind of keep yourself busy. Oh, while I'm at it here, I'd like to show you we're in the process of making a deal with Mr. Dave here that's going to be retiring. These are my buddies that I run with here. And we're in the process of making a deal on Mr. Dave's Black Pete. This is the truck I plan on buying. She's got a brand new rebuilt, freshly rebuilt 3406. 18 speed, full lockers. I'm hoping to get the belly dump and his 130 tanker too. So. Anyways, folks, that's how I kind of diversified my small business out here. And what we do, it certainly keeps me busy. And another thing is I have lots of opportunities to grow the business. Since I'm getting towards the end of it out here, it's just a struggle for me to figure out if that's what I want to do or not. So anyways, folks, have a good day.